Hey guys, y'all already know what time it is. It's about to be a new season. I'm so excited. It's about to be spring, like about time. Even though it's still cold here in Florida, like what? But anywho, I am going to be doing a spring reset, y'all. I'm so excited, and because I'm in my new room too, so makes it even more exciting. But my room is not like crazy, but I do need to get her together. So like on today's list, I need to like clean my room. Definitely do some laundry because I have a basket of laundry. I want to do a little closet clean out because I have stuff everywhere in my closet and I just need to organize it and look through stuff that I don't wear anymore and take them out because there's no point of them just sitting in my room. And then I have a little spring haul of clothes that I want to show you guys. But before we get to all that, I want to give you guys an overview of how my room currently looks. So let's go. This is how my room currently looks here. I have just pillows here. I need to like make up my bed, and I went out with my friend last night and just threw clothes and stuff everywhere. I have stuff that doesn't belong here. I need to clear off my desk and get it back organized. And like I said, I have my laundry basket here. And yeah, so we're gonna start on my room, and then actually no, we're going to start with laundry first because I need to get that in and then come back in and then start on my room. So let's get that done. Okay, so next to do is my desk. So I'm just gonna organize it really because all I have to do, put the stuff back where it's supposed to be, and that's literally it. And maybe wipe it down. Yeah, I gotta wipe it down, so never mind. I actually gotta take everything off and then put everything back to get it reorganized. So let's do that. Hey guys, so I'm currently standing by my closet and I'm going to look through my clothes to see what I want, what I don't want, because like I said, I purchased new clothes, so I got to try to declutter some of the stuff I don't wear and not keep it. Plus it's the new year, so get rid of some stuff, which is fine. And I'm going to show you guys how my closet currently looks because she looked cluttered, no lie. Alrighty. So this is how my closet looks. I have stuff over here. I have clothes up here that I have no space for. I have a whole bunch of clothes back here, here, and all the way in the back. So how I have my closet set up is like all of my sweaters and jackets are back here. All of my jeans are here. All of my night clothes and sweatpants and shorts and crew necks and hoodies are here. And then all of my other long sleeves and tanks and regular shirts and dresses are back there. So I need to, oh, and then all of my shoes are down here. And then y'all, if y'all look here, I have pairs of jeans on the floor over here because again, I have no space. So we're gonna look through and then see what I need to, like what I don't wear. And I already have a few ideas of some stuff that I can like literally like give away. Okay, so here are some of the hangers, and then here are all of the clothes that I don't want anymore. And then I took down my clothes that were at the top of my closet. And so I have a little space here, and I have a lot of space here, and a lot of space up there. And these are just like extra stuff that I'll go through, like this. This is empty, so that can go in the trash. That's a PR package right there. I'll just lay that down. I can see that right over. Okay, so I think this is okay, but got some space. So I'm going to try to put these on a hanger, and I gotta get my jeans out there. That's still in the closet. And okay, my closet is finished. I decluttered it, took out some stuff. I have a little space here. I decided to just put these up there until I had to buy more hangers too. Have a lot of space over there. I was gonna look through my shoes because there are some shoes that I do not wear, and so I was gonna look through those. I'll do those probably off camera. These are all the clothes I don't want, and then I'm just gonna look through this to see what I don't want also to declutter. Okay guys, so for this last portion of my spring reset, I'm gonna give you guys a little clothing haul. It's like for spring and summer, and I got these for both seasons because I was like, I need more clothes, and I knew I had to declutter some clothes. So I'm gonna give you guys a haul, and I'm gonna tell you where each piece is from. So starting off with, first I have just one dress, so I'm gonna show you guys that. I have this little frilly dress here, and can you guys see that? Is it super bright? It's probably super bright. And it has like little frills here, and I got this from Shein, and it's the Forever 21 brand, which is so cute, so cute. The next thing I got is one bathing suit, and it's from Shein as well. It's pink. Hold on, let me see if I can draw closer. There we go. It's pink, and I'm obsessed with the top. Like, look at the top, and then look at the little gold starfish. That is the cutest thing ever. And then the next section is, I'm gonna give you guys shorts and pants. So the first pair of shorts are these blue striped shorts, and they are from Rue 21, and they're so cute, especially for summer and spring. The next pair that I got are these white shorts, and they have like cute bows on them. Very, very adorable. And these are also from Rue 21, and these were only $8, and so were the stripes. The next pair of pants, these are like pajama pants, but you can definitely wear them. Well, I'm gonna wear them like outside with like a cute little white shirt or red shirt. There are these pink pajama pants, and y'all, they have strawberries on them. These are so cute, and I got these from Burlington. Yeah, Burlington a few weeks ago. And the last pair of pants I got, they're supposed to be like sweatpants, but the material really doesn't feel like sweatpants, and they are these pink, baby pink ones, and they have the Misguided logo, and these are also from Shein as well. Definitely can't wait to wear these. And then the last section I have are like t-shirts and regular shirts. So this first shirt, I love it. I actually wore it last night. It's this beige, like cute little top, and it has like the little frills on it, and this is from Shein. The next top, this is a tank top. It's a white tank top with cherries on it, and it looks like that. It's probably super bright. Let me see if I can turn the brightness down. Hold on. Okay, and this is from Didi's. The next shirt I got is this one. Also, this shirt I'm wearing as well is from Shein, and I got it in blue because I thought it was super cute. Obviously from Shein. The next tank top I got is this baby blue, and it says high, I don't know if I can see, it says high maintenance, and it's from Target. And then the next shirt, it's actually a shirt, It's this oversized tee, and it has a big cute band-aid, and it says Jesus Heals, and this is from Shein. I love it. I think it's super cute. The next top I got is this brown one, and it has a cute little ribbon on it, and it is from, I mean, not ribbon, bow, and it's from Shein. And the last top I got is this top, and it's this cute graphic tee, and it's also from Didi's, and I think this is a sticker, y'all, if I'm not mistaken. It literally looks like a sticker. I don't know. And so yeah, and so that is my mini clothing haul that I want to show you guys. And then now I'm going to give you guys an overview of how my room currently looks.